The next letter is U.
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 Who's standing under the tree? It looks like a horse, but it's a unicorn.
Unicorn.
Unicorn starts with
U.
U. What is this? It's a squirrel holding it up. Now I get it. The owls sleep in the day and wake up at night. Here comes the moon. Look, somebody's face is on the moon. That's Owen. Owen's on the moon. The next letter is P.
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 P is for penguin.
Penguin.
And this is a pig.
Pig.
Pig also starts with
P.
P. Whose house are they visiting? That's Phoebe. Phoebe's going to serve her friends food. The penguin will eat less than the pig. Which plate is for the penguin? Yes, the penguin is eating one slice of pizza. The pig is eating 2 slices of pizza. Boink, boink, boink. Which plate is for the pig? Remember, the pig eats more. Yes, the pig eats 3 pea pods. Boink, boink. And the penguin eats 1 pea pod.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
The next letter is Q.
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 Q is for queen.
Queen.
The queen is waving to the people. Long live the queen! What is the knight holding? It's a quilt.
Quilt.
Quilt starts with
Q.
Q. By the way, who is the knight? That's Quentin. Quentin's wearing the armor. What's the next letter? R.
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 R is for rabbit.
Rabbit.
It's raining now. The rabbit needs to ride out the rain. The rabbit is going to stay until the rain stops. Now the rain is gone. Wow, what is that? It's a rainbow.
Rainbow.
Rainbow starts with
R.
R. Let's see the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E,
The next letter is T.
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 T is for train.
Train.
Who's riding the train? It's a turtle.
Turtle.
Turtle starts with
T.
T. The train stops at the station. The train will stay at the station while we count to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we have another passenger, a tiger. Tiger starts with
T.
T. The train goes through the tunnel.
Tunnel.
Tunnel also starts with
T.
T. Who's been driving the train? That's Taylor. Taylor's the engineer. Taylor got dirt on her face in the tunnel. It's fun to drive the train. Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Umbrella starts with
U.
U. Who's behind the umbrella this time? It's an elephant. Now who's hiding behind the umbrella? It's Umberto. Umberto's holding the umbrella. Fun to dance with an umbrella. The next letter is V.
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 V is for violin.
Violin.
Who's playing the violin? It's Vanessa. Vanessa's playing the violin. Wow, who are these dancers? They are vegetables.
Vegetables.
Vegetables starts with
V.
V. Wow, they're dancing again. Vegetables are great dancers.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, la, 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 la. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, la, 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 la. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, la, la, la. V, W, X, Y, Z, la, la, la. C, D, E, F, G, la 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 la. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, la 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 la. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, la la la. V, W, X, Y, Z, la la la.
The next letter is W.
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man